Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show how to make quinoa oatmeal. First, rinse 1/2 cup of quinoa under cold water to remove any bitterness. Next, combine the rinsed quinoa with 1 cup of water or your preferred milk in a small saucepan. Don't forget to add a small pinch of salt. It really helps to bring out the natural flavors of the quinoa. This simple preparation sets the stage for a delicious and nutritious breakfast. Once your quinoa, liquid, and salt are in the saucepan, bring the mixture to a boil over medium-high heat. As soon as it starts boiling, reduce the heat to low, cover the pan tightly, and let it simmer gently for about 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, remove the pan from the heat but keep it covered. Allow it to rest for an additional 5 minutes. This helps the quinoa absorb any remaining liquid and become perfectly fluffy. Now for the fun part, adding flavor and texture. For a creamier consistency, stir in 1/4 cup of rolled oats right after the quinoa has rested. Sweeten your oatmeal with a tablespoon of maple syrup, honey, or your favorite sweetener. Finally, enhance the nutritional value and taste by mixing in fresh berries, sliced bananas, or any other fruit you enjoy. This step truly optimizes your breakfast. Your delicious quinoa oatmeal is now ready to be served. Spoon it into a bowl while it's still warm. Feel free to get creative with your toppings. A sprinkle of chopped nuts, a dash of cinnamon, or a few extra seeds can add wonderful crunch and flavor. This wholesome, protein-rich breakfast is a fantastic way to start your day, providing sustained energy and a satisfying meal.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.